Hello students, in this video we will look at MBOSE Class XI Economics syllabus, distribution of marks as well as promotion exam question types. The syllabus is divided into two parts. Part A, Statistics for Economics, which carries 40 marks, and Part B, Introductory Microeconomics, which carries 40 marks. So the total marks for the theory is 80 and 20 marks is allotted for project work. Part A has 3 units. Unit 1, Introduction. Unit 2, Collection, Organization and Presentation of Data. And Unit 3, Statistical Tools and Interpretation. Part B has 4 units. Unit 4, Introduction. Unit 5, Consumers, Equilibrium and Demand. Unit 6, Producers, Behavior and Supply. Unit 7, Forms of Market and Price Determination under Perfect Competition with Simple Applications. Now let us look at promotion examination question types. There are 4 different types of question set: objective type, very short answer, and essay type or long answer type questions. There will be 10 multiple choice questions, each carrying 1 mark, 10 very short answer questions, each carrying 1 mark, and 6 short answer questions carrying 2 marks. There will be 4 short answer questions, each carrying 3 marks, and finally 6 essay type or long answer questions, each carrying 6 marks. You are supposed to do a project work which is internally assessed out of 20 marks. You can download previous year's question paper from MBOSE official website www.mbose.in. I hope you'll find the video useful. Thanks for watching.